This is how to make objects glow in Unity. First thing you need to do is go to Window, Package Manager, and install the Universal Render Pipeline. Just hit install. Then just go to Edit, Project Settings, click on Graphics here, and we're going to need a render pipeline asset. So just in your project, right click and create a pipeline asset. We can just drag that in here. After doing this, you might notice that a lot of your models have been turned pink. To fix this, we just go to Edit, Render Pipeline, Universal Render Pipeline, and Upgrade Project Materials. Now in our project, we'll just right click and create a global volume. We'll make a new volume profile and we'll add the bloom override. Set the intensity to something like 1. On our main camera, we'll just turn on the post-processing. Select the material you use for your object. Turn on emission. And in the emission map here, we can just turn up the intensity to something like 2. And we can change the color around to change the emission color. Since we're emitting light, I don't really need a base color. So you can go ahead and mess around with these settings here. I think something like this looks good. And that's it. Now everything you put in your scene with a emitting material will now glow in your scene. I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple more of these spheres. And there you go.